When? I do not know. How? I do not know. But it will come. Life is short and death is certain. And that is the beauty of Easter. The beauty of Easter, being assured that there is a resurrection. The resurrection is not just a continuation of your life. It is a new life. It is a new life. Free from your past. It is something you embrace as a gift that God and God alone can give. My dear friends, my brothers and sisters, as I challenge you, those who have been in my Mass yesterday, what are the things that prevents you from rising again? What could be the reason? What could be the reason that prevents you from embracing the new life that God promises on those who believe? What are the things you need to let go? The new things you need to embrace? Because the resurrection or the Easter should have a frame of mind within ourselves. Mayroong pagbabagong isip, pagkakaroon ng panibagong pananaw, na alam natin, hindi tayo panghabang panahon sa lupang ito. Hindi lang yung ikaw ay mamamatay, hindi lang ikaw ay muling mabubuhay, sapagkat lahat ay muling mabubuhay. Ang ginawa ng kalooban ng Diyos, pupunta sa langit, at yung sumaway sa Diyos ay pupunta sa panghabang panahong kaparusahan.